Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to generate AI images for free. Dream by Wombo is a popular app for generating AI art, allowing users to create stunning images by simply entering prompts and selecting styles. So here are the basic usage of Dream by Wombo. Search for Dream by Wombo on the Google Play Store and make sure to install it. Launch the app and sign up for saving your art to your account, or just tap on Try It Out. Enter a prompt. In the text box, type a descriptive phrase for the image you want. For example, a futuristic city at sunset. Choose an art style. Choose an art style from the available options, such as something fantasy, realistic, abstract, or dreamland. Generate the image. Tap the Create button, and the app will process your request to generate the image. Save or share. Once the image is ready, you can add a title, or you can save it to your device, or share it directly to social media by tapping Finish. Additional tips: experimenting with different prompts and styles for varied results. Use more descriptive or imaginative prompts for intricate details. The app is free to use, but some styles or features might require a subscription. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.